What's up, guys? It's been about 2 years since I made any video on the whole Lincoln thing. So far, so good. It's got a couple little problems, but it's been a trooper. So far, just a couple weeks ago, I had the drain plugs of my sunroof get all plugged up, so a bunch of water got in here. There's a bunch of water pooled up in there and down on my floor down there. It was not cool. Anyway, though, I just recently installed a windstorm liver noise intake in this car. I'm still waiting to hear back if I can get a tune on my old tuner or if I have to buy one of those new My Touch ones. But I got a 3-bar map sensor too. I just don't have it installed yet, obviously, until I have the tune. But let's go take a quick look at the intake and then go for a short little drive. So there it is, all installed. It was kind of fun actually installing something on my car completely 100% by myself. I'm still learning how to do all this car stuff. I'm mostly a computer guy and a gamer, but I still like cars too. So anyway, let's take a quick drive. Or actually, let's turn it on first. There's what she sounds like on idle. Anyway though, let's close up the hood and go for a drive. Alright, we're just kind of out cruising around. Car's all warmed up. The other little problem I've got is at lower speeds, when you're just kind of drive like a sensible person, the torque converter is getting pretty bad. It vibrates a lot, and yeah, it's probably gonna completely explode pretty soon here. Especially once I get that tune for that 3-bar. Come up to a stop sign here. Got a Ram Bighorn in front of me. He's gonna turn onto the freeway. Let's give it a little beans. Man, that's fun. Put the windows up so there's not so much wind noise. I absolutely hate this on-ramp or off-ramp because you've got to come off the freeway going 70 and then you got people turning left on the freaking road there, and then on top of all that, then you have to slow down to 30 here. Like, whoever designed that all was on crack. Anyway though, this is kind of some of the more boring parts, honestly. I mean, the corners are kind of fun, but I am coming up to slow pokes, so probably not going to get to have any fun. So I'll just turn this off and turn it back on once we get to a more or less populated area anyway. Okay, of course right after I turn off the camera, that's when they both turned off. Like literally 10 seconds after I had turned the camera off, both people turned. One guy turned into his driveway. Oh man. I do like how this car handles. It's fun for quick little bursts of speed. Had the window down again because I was trying to keep it a little cooler in here. It's finally a nice day. It's only 72 out. The last couple days it's been 88 to 90 with like 100% humidity, and then it'll thunderstorm and start the whole process over the next day. And it kind of looks like it's trying to thunderstorm again here. We'll see what it does later. What do we got here? Some kind of BMW M50i X6. Never heard of that one, honestly. But yeah, this car's kind of fun just to go around and hoon around in. So again, once I get rid of traffic, we'll turn the camera back on. All right. Finally coming up to a place where I think I can give it full throttle. As long as nobody gets in front of me at this 4-way here. Alright, and just to be clear, I haven't full throttled it a single time since we've been out. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Woo. Felt like we got a little air over those railroad tracks. But yeah, fun to do this out in the country where there's no one I can hurt besides myself or possibly a deer or some random animal. Which I'd prefer to not do, but better than doing this kind of crap in a city and then hitting somebody. Oh man. Be a lot nicer out if it wasn't so cloudy, but I'll take the lower temps over a little sun. We got somebody coming. People playing golf. And we've caught up with traffic. Because most people just drive normal. I drive a little bit like a lunatic. Let's see. I'm just gonna wait a couple seconds here because last time this happened, they like turned into their driveway and one person turned down a side street, so just hang back here, give them some room. Yeah, there's a side street right up here. How much you guys want to bet they're gonna turn left up here? Place your bets now. Exactly 50. I mean, technically, I think the speed limit is 50, but you can get away with 55, at least in Michigan. Cop ain't gonna come after you unless he's a huge dick. Was I wrong? I was. They did not turn down Curtis Road. Well, then I stand corrected. 90% of people on this road always turn there. I mean, I guess this is another chance. The rest of them usually turn this way. All right. Way to prove me wrong. Way to prove me wrong, Ford. It's really pretty out here, though. I like coming out here. Just enjoying the drive. The only thing you gotta really worry about is random wildlife. I kind of warped my brakes a little. Had to slam on my brakes for a little tiny like fawn. Definitely don't want to damage my car or kill a baby deer. That would be kind of lame. Anyway, though, we'll just turn the camera back on when scenery gets more interesting. Getting into some more farmland now. I think we got some corn growing over there or something. Hard to see through all this brush. Oh yeah, that's corn. I saw it through a small little, whatchamacallit, little break in the trees. Have a bunch of cool twisty roads around in Michigan, but we certainly have a bunch of straight roads with not many people on them. Like this one, for example. Give it another little burst at the speed there. We just won't show the speedo there, though. We were just kind of going at some miles an hour here. Oh, we got somebody. Don't cut me off and get T-boned, please. Great. Good job. Sometimes they sure look like they're going to, doesn't it? I was definitely ready for some evasive maneuvers. But yeah, this car has been a freaking awesome car for the past 2 years I've owned it, besides the 3 like minute things that have happened. And I mean, it's a 2010 with 164,000 miles on it, and when I got it, it had 129,000 miles on it. So I'd say it's still doing pretty damn good. I need to clean this interior. This interior is absolutely disgusting. I need to have it detailed, and then I need to have the outside detailed, polished, and then I'm gonna put a what do you call it, that ceramic coat on it to make it look really shiny. Black cars look sweet with ceramic coat on. You know, I always wonder if people like see people with cameras like me going around like this and wonder what in the hell they're doing, or if they're not even paying attention and in their own little world. I'm gonna probably guess the second one a majority of the time. Anyway, though, this was just a quick little update video on the old Lincoln MKS here. Not too much else to really report on until I get that 3-bar map sensor tune and then install it. And then I'll make another little video so we can compare 0 to 60s. Again, you can go back and watch my old video. I'll probably link it in this video so you can see my 0 to 60 and compare it to this to see if the intake did anything. Definitely, my butt dyno definitely tells me it's made an improvement, but that could always be placebo. Placebo is a very, very powerful thing. But anyway, wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, peace out, guys.